Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here with Sequoia. I'm here at the Delta booth at KBIS, the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show 2025. We're here in Las Vegas, and Delta always has something really new and interesting to show every year. You've seen me talk about the Delta proximity sensor, which later got relabeled as H2O XT. We've talked about some of their new stain-resistant finishes last year, and we talked about their new reverse osmosis. But today, we've got, well, Sequoia, I'll let you do the talking.
Yeah, I'm so excited to tell y'all about the VersaCurl detangling hand tool. It is amazing. It brings the power of Delta's 70 years of experience in water to really enhance your personal care of your hair in the shower. So today, we have one on display, which has a comb attachment. You may be like, what is this? It's amazing. We've created a way to have various inserts to address either your hair type or what phase of the hair washing experience you have. On top of the ability to actually personalize this tool by switching out the inserts, you also have the ability to personalize the tool through the water pattern of your choice. So you have a pause feature, and then watch out, you have a whole lot of water, and that's through our H2Okinetic PowerDrench formula. And then we also have a proprietary stream where you see a triangle here that really breaks through those pesky knots and helps you detangle using the power of water. We are releasing this product in September online and in Amazon, and we're excited to bring 5 core elements to our package. It will include the hand shower, all 3 inserts so you can personalize your experience, a 72-inch metal hose, an anywhere mount, which I'm very excited for different heights and different preferences.
Is that this?
That's this, and if you see, it has a sticky part if you want something a little more semi-permanent, and then you also have an actual drill down. So it's really cool, and if you want to see all 3, sorry, it's all wet, but it's all clean water, we promise. Okay. These are all 3 different inserts that will come in that package along with the other pertinent areas. And we can't forget our 2-way diverter that also comes in this package, which really allows you to figure out, do you want more in the hand shower? Do you want more of the shower head, or a little bit of both? And
so this is a diverter it's a mechanical diverter. It diverts off the shower arm, is that right?
And it's right behind you if you want to look at it. It is a 2-way diverter right here that fits with any Delta shower head or others, and you can really control the pressure of your water with an easy click and really focus on what works better for you, and really making sure we know your hair is personal, so we want to make sure you can personalize your own hair care with the VersaCurl hand shower tool.
Okay, and from a plumbing standpoint, this replaces any standard hand shower.
So yes, easily, very easily. So if you have a hand shower that you already use, just like any other product, you unscrew this. Thank you. You unscrew that hand shower that you may already have and replace it with one that is just a little touch of innovation to your day-to-day routine. And you'll just screw it back on like so, very easy.
And you said the kit that this is coming with is going to come with the inserts.
Those 3 inserts, the 2-way diverter, the hand shower,
the
and
hose,
the 72-inch hose,
and the hook, and
our beautiful mounts. And it will come with all 4 of these colorways, matte black, all the way to our brushed gold. So it's very nice. It will fit with whatever you have or whatever you desire to have in the end.
All right, and what's the going rate on this? What's the MSRP?
The MSRP is between $120 and $130.
Okay, well,
for the whole kit.
For a designer hand shower kit, that's not bad.
Exactly, and it solves so many needs. So I've been using it myself. I have very thick, long hair, as you may can see, and it gets through my curls very gently. It's also, I'll show you guys, it's so durable. You can see it will not bend or break in a way, but it's very flexible, just like things that you may already use in your home. But the way we combine the power of Delta's water quality and the pressures and functions with these tools, no more kitten caboodles in the shower. Just get your VersaCurl and you're all right.
Nice. Well, Sequoia, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.